Hey guys, welcome back. So I bought this floor jack about a year ago, and so I thought I'd do a little review on it. I've been using it pretty regularly for oil changes and brake jobs and whatnot, and so far it's been working out pretty good. Have no problems, no issues, and I think it's a good jack. So I dug up my receipt here, and I got it from Costco, and I paid $110, and I bought it November of last year. So like I said, I've had it for almost a year, and I think it's a pretty good jack. So right off the bat, it's made out of steel. It's not the aluminum one, and I just reread the owner's manual, and it says it weighs 78 pounds, and geez, I didn't think it weighed that much, but I guess it does. I only picked it up when I bought it, and I just picked it up just now to put it on that table, and I guess it really does weigh 78 pounds. So it's quite heavy. It's not something you want to be taking with you. It's pretty much gonna live in your garage and stay put. So as far as specifications, it's the minimum height is 3 inches, and it's supposed to lift as high as 19 inches, and of course it's 3 ton. So that's 6,000 pounds. That'll do most cars. And so one thing you might want to do is you might want to check on the door label before you lift the car, just to check how much the car weighs before you jack it up. So for this car, this is my 2010 Grand Marquis, and pretty much all cars have this door jamb label here. And what you do is you just look on the GVWR for the gross vehicle weight rating, and this one is 5550, so 5,550 pounds. And then you'll come over here to maximum load of occupants and luggage is 1,100 pounds. So you just subtract the two. So with this car, with nobody in it and no luggage, it should weigh 4,550 pounds. And of course we're not going to be lifting all that weight. We're only going to be lifting approximately half of that, because I'm only going to be jacking up one side of the car at a time. Alright, so let me show you how that works. So as you know, these Panthers got the full frame under here, so it makes it kind of nice when you're jacking it up. And it's kind of tricky to get it right on the balance point. To get it right on the balance point, so you'll be getting it up equal, and it's right about there. Okay, both tires just came up off the ground. So that's about as high as I go to get the jack stands under here. I'll give you a quick shot of it. Alright, now let's see if I can set it down easy. Alright, so that's it. That's my little review. The only other place I looked at for floor jacks was Harbor Freight, and I turned out not to get one from them because the warranty was only 1 year, and then you had to buy like an additional extended warranty, and it still was only 3 years. So I went with the Costco floor jack because, you know, they've got that Costco forever return policy. But if this thing performs like it has been, I don't think I'll ever have a problem with it. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.